In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize Canva template. Open Canva template, you want to resize, and go to Canva and click Create Design. Choose new dimension for your design, and click on each element of the original template while holding Shift key to select multiple elements at once. Do not select the background. After selecting all elements, right-click and choose Group. This will group select elements together. Right-click on grouped elements and select Copy. Go back to your new Canva design with new dimensions. Right-click and select Paste to paste group elements. Go back to original design, click on Background, and copy background color code. Go back to new design, click on Background, and apply copy background color. Adjust size of elements and text as needed to fit new dimension. Once you are satisfied with your size design, you can further customize it and make any additional adjustment.